My name is Jim Howard. I'm from Syracuse, Indiana. My question is, does the book Buffettology by Mary Buffett present fairly in all material respects the calculations you used in evaluating a business for purchase, or did the lady just write a book?
Well, it was written by two authors, but I would say that no, I would say that in a general way it gets at the investment philosophy, but I wouldn't say that it's not the book I would have written precisely, but I have no quarrel with it either. I actually think by reading Berkshire's reports, you should be able to get more. I would think you get more of our philosophy than in any other manner. I think Larry Cunningham, the fellow who held the symposium at the Cardozo School at Yeshiva, did the best job actually of sort of reconstructing the various things that have been written at Berkshire into sort of the best organized presentation of our philosophy. So
he's selling it right here. It's a very practical.
Yeah, he had it at Borsheim, in the mall outside Borsheim yesterday, and Larry did a very good job, and I had nothing to do with it, but I think I really think he's done a first-class job of sort of organizing by topic. I mean, all these things that I've sort of written annually, and Charlie's written over time. So that would probably be my, if I were picking one thing to read, that would probably be the one. Okay, zone 4, please.